Welcome to the ultimate cleaning battle. Today, we're putting two household staples to the test on these nasty, greasy trays. Powerful dish soap. Which one will reign supreme? Let's find out. First up, the contender from the soda aisle, Coca-Cola. It's famous for refreshing us, but many claim its phosphoric acid can cut through rust and grime. Can it handle this grease? We're flooding tray number 1 with straight Coke. No dilution, just pure soda power. We're gonna let that dark magic sit and work on the grease. Next, the champion of the kitchen sink, dish soap. Engineered specifically to attack grease and lift food stains. This is what it was born to do. For tray number 2, we're applying a generous amount of concentrated dish soap foam. We're scrubbing it in lightly to ensure full coverage. Now, we play the waiting game. We'll give both contenders 20 minutes to chemically react with the baked-on grease. It's anyone's game at this point. While we wait, here's the science. Dish soap uses surfactants. One end attracts water, the other attracts grease, effectively surrounding the grime and lifting it away. Coke, on the other hand, relies on phosphoric and carbonic acids. These mild acids are great at dissolving mineral stains and rust, but their effect on pure grease is debated. Time's up! First, the Coke tray. I can feel the grease resisting. I'm scrubbing hard, and some grime is coming loose, but it's a fight. Rinsing tray 1. Okay, it's definitely cleaner than before, but there are still significant greasy patches. Coke did some work, but it's not perfect. Now, tray 2 with the dish soap. Wow, the difference is immediate. The sponge is gliding, and the grease is just melting away into the foam. Effortless. Let's review. The Coke tray before and after. It removed the surface grime and perhaps some rust, but the heavy baked-on grease remained. The dish soap tray before and after. Absolute annihilation of the grease. It's shiny, it's brand new, there's no contest here. For cutting through heavy grease, dish soap is the undisputed champion. Save the Coke for drinking. Like this test? Subscribe for more DIY showdowns. What should we test next?